My name is Thomas Joseph. I'm working as a manager in Federal Bank's head office, and I approached Kerala Nightingale for higher studies of my daughter. She has completed her BSc Nursing from MGR University, and she has been working in Madras Medical Mission Hospital for last 1 year. Now she has decided to go abroad for higher education, and Kerala Nightingale has done a marvelous job by giving an opportunity and guiding us for getting the visa done through them in time. And yesterday I got visa, and she is also happy, and she will be moving to Canada tomorrow. And I'm thankful to Kerala Nightingale and Mr. Thomas for supporting us, and I wish him all the best. And those who are interested to get guidance, they can approach Kerala Nightingale for their future studies, their awards studies in future. Thank you very much.